Come here. Come here, Reuben. Come here. There you go. Don't eat them. Silly little dog.
Good boy. You need to
You need some more glue.
re-dip him. That's cute. Oh boy.
Come here. Come here, Reuben. Reuben, come here.
Next time you go to dip, will you hold him there and I'll get a couple still pictures too?
Okay.